Hey, what's up, guys? So, I wanted to do a video real quick on my cooking, how I cook in a van, and my new purchase that I just picked up. So, it's going to be pretty cool. I have a lot of different ways that I can cook, and if you watch any other videos of people living in vans, they obviously have several different ways that they can cook as well. But for me, my new purchase is going to be awesome because I love cooking on the grill. I love cooking outside and stuff like that. So this is going to be pretty neat. This here is a Coleman butane stove. It's a one burner. A lot of people use these. They're real simple, real easy. But yeah, you just put this in, push this down, close this up, you're ready to go. It's real simple. It's got a small little carrying case. It's got a small little carrying case. This is my Coleman camping stove. It's two burner. It's propane. So I know a lot of people have seen these. A lot of people use them. But this is another way that I can cook. Yeah, this Coleman camper stove works out really well. It's small, it's compact and stuff like that. So you can fit it pretty much anywhere in your van. If you guys have been watching my other videos, you know that I use this little guy quite often. This is my electric induction cooktop. I use the cooktop a lot when I'm plugged into shore power. I can also use it on my generator, and I can also use it on my inverter as well. So that's another way that I cook. So I bought this when I first moved into the van, and believe it or not, I've only used it once or twice. So I don't know what I'm going to do with that thing, but it's cool to have. If you have more than one person, you can use this, you know, for things. But yeah, I mean, it's good to have just in case, you know, if you're around a whole bunch of other people and stuff like that, and breakfast and cooking eggs and bacon and stuff. So that little guy is pretty cool. Just a flat griddle, little cooker. Obviously, you have to have electric for it. So, but yeah, so that's pretty neat. So this is the way I cook, all my different things that I use, but the newest addition is going to be awesome. So yeah, like I said, this grill is going to be awesome. It's brand new. I haven't used it yet. I really wanted to cook some food on here for this video. I might be able to do that tonight. I'm not sure, but yeah, this is going to make things so friggin' awesome this summer. So anyway, this is what I use, man. Like I said, there's so many other ways that you can cook, and there's so many other ways that people do cook, you know, when you're living in a van. But I'm on a real busy street right now. I'm parked on the side of the road, and every time I'm trying to record something on this video, man, it's just car after car, motorcycle after motorcycle. It's a beautiful day out. But I'll show you where I am here in a second. But anyway, yeah. So I hope you guys are having a good day. I hope you guys are having fun, enjoying yourself. keeping your distance, social distancing. But yeah, this is me and my social distancing. It's not bad. So I'm so glad I bought this grill. This is going to be awesome for the summer. So this is my first meal on my grill, 2 steaks and some string beans. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching the video. Like I said, it was all my cooking stuff, different ways that I cook in the van. My new purchase, man, was my grill, so it's gonna make this summer awesome. But you know, hit that like button, comment, questions, whatever you got. Also, man, hit that bell so you're notified on my next videos and stuff like that, because I've got a lot of cool crap coming. It's getting to that time that I'm going to start working on a couple more things in the van and stuff like that. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be pretty awesome. But thank you. I appreciate it. Y'all have a good day. Drive safe.